Building my new PC Part 2. In the first part we put the motherboard assembly together, but now it's time to install the Kraken Elite 360 cooler by NZXT. I'm actually going to be swapping out the fans for these F120 RGB duos. Let's get everything put together, attach the bracket and install it into the new case. Next we're going to apply some thermal paste and attach the pump. Now we're adding in the PSU, but please don't judge my cable management. Now it's time to install the 4070 Ti Super by PNY. I managed to get one satisfying peel in, but the second one didn't go to plan. And now, the moment of truth.